This morning we're making breakfast burritos, and I always associate those with outdoor adventures. My mom used to make them all growing up for us before we go on a huge hike or canoe trip or caving. So Jared and I are making them this morning. He's frying up the bacon, and I'm frying up potatoes. I didn't have two skillets that would fit on here, so I'm using the pot and the skillet. And I was gonna do, and then we'll do eggs, and I was gonna saute some jalapenos to put in there. But then I found these potatoes at the store, and they are potato cubes with peppers and onions already in them. So I was like, that will really simplify for this morning. So I'm just gonna get them started. We have those. Oh, the burner. Okay.
Help. The match is the operator.
Definitely the match. Why would
It's
you
the
even
operator.
question that? See? It's the match.
No, it's this. It's worn out. The side is worn out.
They'll
Oh.
warm the match out.
Oh. What were we saying about the operator?
I think the matches got the worn out for people striking us in time. I didn't have a problem with the rim.
Let me show you how it's done, Daddy. Let me get that done. Oh, wait, I've got one.
I guess he had a plan. Mommy's sitting there, thank you.
The natural flavor, I've been told, is something to start about anytime it serves natural flavor.
Indeed. Well, it said no artificial colors or flavors in it, so.
I've always been told to be leery though, but I don't know.
Okay. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna go wash my hands. I want really fluffy eggs. So I'm gonna add some heavy whipping cream.
Mom, you want to tell your children about last night?
What happened last night? Spit it out.
I might have lost in chess like 10 games in a row.
Oh, that's what I heard last night. Okay.
Yeah. It's embarrassing.
We
Didn't
can
have
try
my game
again
on.
after breakfast if you want.
You know, I do better in the morning, I think more clearly.
Huh?
That's good. I think more clearly in the morning. Okay,
We will.
so I put salt and pepper in.
Lots of cheese.
And lots of cheese to make it yummy.
Yep. Yep. Why do you ask? Well, you got to wait for everything else or we won't have enough bacon. We'll have a bacon Burritos.
Well, too, it's very colorful, but it's just like yellow and red.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's good.
About ready to eat, Bubba? Yeah. Found a penny. Boy, down there will fish all day if we let them.
Sure will.
Where's them out? See, I just passed out last night. Hey, Wesley, you want to come eat?
Hold on. He's gonna have a good day. He's gonna catch some more brim so he can put more noodles out. Thank you for the food. He's gonna have any.
I'm gonna try to catch up at once. Anybody wants to catch up at once? Breakfast burritos were really great, but the potatoes that I picked out, they had some seasoning on them that we didn't really care for, so ketchup helped. But next time I think I'll just make them with fresh potatoes that I peel.